everybody, it's Kelly, and I'm back with another process video for you today. I'm going to take that chevron paper, and that's going to be my background. It's from My Mind's Eye Cut and Paste, the Absorbs collection, the special striking paper. And I'm thinking about using some red as part of the background here, just because there's a little bit of red in the photos in one of my grandson's jackets. Well, the red itself was a little bit too red. It was starting to look like Christmas. So instead, I chose this pink polka dot paper here. And sorry about this, guys. You're going to have to watch me change my ATG. Okay, so I decided to cut that out to spare you the excitement of watching me change my ATG because I forgot the tape was being a little fussy. So back to this pink polka dot paper from My Mind's Eye. It's the Abbey Road collection, the Whirlybird Shine paper, and it's kind of a red pink, so I think it reads pretty well, especially because I have that Remember This card on here, and that card is from the... trying to see if I can find it, and I'm losing it. It is My Mind's Eye, but I don't know what collection is. So this whole layout was inspired by that cork house from Chamel. It's the True Stories cork stickers from 2014. I had this one piece left. I've been trying to use up these cork stickers. I used one a little bit ago. This was the last one. So yay, when this goes on a layout, this is the absolute last cork I have from that collection. And so I just wanted something that was in a neighborhood or had something to do with a house, and this was perfect because these are my grandsons in their neighborhood. Now that wood is very prominent on here, so I decided I wanted to bring some wood veneer in, and I knew I had wood veneer bicycles from Ellie's studio, or from Elle's studio. I had two of them, and this smaller one works a little bit better than the larger one does. So I don't know if these are still available or not. I think they are from last year, but I'm not positive. So, and I did, by the way, try to, because the label is on the back of that journaling piece. I tried to pull it up, but it started to rip it, so I just stopped. And there goes the cork. It's really townhouses onto the layout, so yippee, I have used up some embellishments. That always makes me happy when that happens, especially something like this that I've had for 4 years for sure, maybe even 5, depending on when that was released. All right, so that is also going, all of that is going on top of that blue houndstooth paper, aqua houndstooth paper. It is also the My Mind's Eye Cut and Paste Absorbs, and that is the Story Cards paper from 2013. So that whole Absorbs collection is 2013, as well as that Abbey Road collection. So it's time I use this stuff up here. That chipboard rough and tough piece and the circle there that I just put on are both from the My Mind's Eye collectible collection, the Remarkable layered stickers, smile layered stickers is where that is from. And then, I'm sorry, the chipboard stickers, the little star sticker that I put up there is from the collectible Remarkable layered stickers. So that's chipboard. So is the gear kind of thing to the left as well. So now you can kind of see I have 3 kind of clusters going here, and I'm trying to use up pieces. You know, I have so much stuff, of course, as lots of us do, and I want to make sure I'm using it and that it's not just aging in my stash so that I don't like it anymore. Part of the thing with this My Mind's Eye is I still really do like these papers, but they're definitely more shabby kind of looking. These are one of the newer My Mind's Eye collections that I had, so it's not quite as shabby as some of them are, but I'm using much cleaner, brighter things now, so I want to make sure I get this on some layouts in my book. The same thing is true, by the way, with October Afternoon. I still love it, but it's aging out because I don't scrapbook in that with those kinds of things anymore. So I still love them, I'm still using them, but not as much as I used to. So I have wood or in more natural materials in 2 places right now, and I decided to put it up at the top as well for the title, and I was spelling it over from left to right and decided, oh, well, it's got to land up against those gears. Let's make sure I actually have room for this. And I start going from right to left, so spelling backwards here. And right now I am MacGyvering an O out of a Q. This wood veneer alpha is older as well, from 2013 from K & Company. It's the handmade adhesive chipboard. So yay for me for using things that are definitely 4 and 5 years old, if not older than that. Time to get them used up and out of my stash. You know, the more I use up, the more room I have for other things, right? So I will go back after this is all over, because you can see they're falling off the backing there. I will go back and I'll use my Scotch Quick Dry adhesive to adhere those to the layout so they don't fall off. Now I'm thinking about, I want to call this layout Around the Neighborhood. This is a very old Jelly Bean Soup alphabet sticker set. And so I'm thinking this will be good because it's got that, you know, bright aqua, or it's got aqua in it that you're seeing appearing in other places on this layout. My only problem with this, and as I'm doing this, I'm looking at it and thinking this, but of course I'm going to try it, is that it's much brighter than the other aquas on this layout, and the other aquas are towards the bottom. That's sitting up towards the green, so I think it's too dark. So now I'm going to go back to these mini tile stickers here from the Webster's Pages Painted Passport Collection. They're the alpha stickers, and I'll use those to spell around the. Now they're a little bit smaller than the other ones, so scale wise I actually liked the other ones better, but I thought it was better that these were lighter, and that kind of, they blend a little bit better with that houndstooth paper and with that layered sticker on the right. You know, that kind of blends in with some of the lighter tones in this this layout, and I just cut that off there so I could kind of observe it without the other one distracting my eye. And I decide I really like that. Now once this is down, it's actually pretty easy to try to keep it straight as long as I butt it right up against the tile sticker right next to it, which is what I'm doing here. All right. I'm loving how this layout is really basically coming from, not that everything doesn't come from my stash, but this comes from my older stash. I've been trying to do more of that, like when I'm on a crop weekend as well, to get use of some of my older things. So here's the layered stickers from my mind's eye again, and I'm trying to make them work for me. I've had these a while. Obviously I didn't buy them right away, I think when they were out in 2013, but I bought them probably the next year. So what I'm doing here is I'm taking apart, I wanted a little bit of yellow because there's the yellow in that star up there, so I wanted to add some more of that, plus that bicycle is kind of yellowy. So I have it in a couple, now I have it in 3 places, actually in that cluster. There's 2 places in that upper cluster. And then I took the piece off the center of that layered embellishment that says "Your smile makes the world go round." I thought that was really cute because it's a whole bicycle theme kind of a thing as well too. And I'm going to just add this in right there. So it kind of makes this whole journaling card area a cluster as well. So that's looking pretty good to me. Just here's the back of that, just trying to see if I can do anything else. Now I'm thinking I need something else there, and I go to I have some My Mind's Eye sticker label sheets there, and I find that recorded label from the collectible memorable note label stickers, and that's again from 2013. So let's get that on here because that brings in the bright green there. And I'm just having to play around with this a little bit to get that all to fit together. So yay for a stash layout, right? And I think it has just the right amount of red so that the jacket isn't standing out and everything else works together. Here's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are all well, and I will be back with another layout again soon. Bye!